Hey guys, Eric here at AVO. Behind me we have an F150 with a 5.5 foot Alu-Cabin. I'm going to give you guys a walk around today and show you everything that went into this awesome build. Follow me. So guys, one of the most exciting parts of this build is of course the Alu-Cabin, which is a 5.5 foot full-size canopy camper. This is getting more and more popular as we're seeing a lot more full-size trucks start to roll through the shop, looking for this type of solution for the back of the vehicle. So really exciting. The truck itself is a diesel too, which is nice. So a little bit more comfortable than driving maybe a full, maybe a 3/4 ton or 1 ton truck, but a lot of the capabilities of these bigger vehicles. In the back here, you can see the camper. Quite a few accessories you can see from just the back here. We've got the 270-degree shadow awning. We've got up underneath the cab over section, we've got the table slide for the full-size campers too, which is a great place to be able to pull the table and store the table when you're camping. This is one of the first things you'll use when you get to camp is set your table out, set your food down, and get ready to have fun around the campfire. Here on the side doors, you'll see the latch covers from Alu-Cab. This is great for customers that plan on driving vehicles in salty areas or where you might get corrosion into the locks. This protects those locks, keeps them from getting gummed up and stuff down the road, which is nice. On the back here of the vehicle accessory wise, you've got an Expedition 1 rear bumper with dual swing outs. We installed 2 Alu-Cab jerry can holders on the back on the driver's side swing out. And on the passenger side swing out, we mounted the spare tire for the customer, so it's easy for that to be removed off the vehicle if comes the time you need to change the tire. So we moved that from underneath the vehicle, giving him a little bit more ground clearance down there as well. Right here on the back of the camper, you can see the 11-pound propane tank on the Expedition 1 propane mount. You've got the rear Alu-Cab MOLLE panels. You've got the shore power plug for the Red Vision system. We'll show you from GP Factor and Red Arc inside the camper. And also the rear a custom spigot setup we have for his 13-gallon water tank on the inside. On the back door, you've got the GP Factor drop-down table. This is a very popular accessory for our canopy camper customers, or pretty much in almost every single canopy camper we sell. And then you also have the interior GP Factor full-size MOLLE panel, and this gives you so much room for adding different accessories back here. And this is important because this is where you spend a lot of time camping, is back here making food, prepping stuff. And so you can have, utensils, cooking gear, lighting, all sorts of stuff back here, because this is where you are spending all that time. This is an 813 deadbolt system, so we tie this into the vehicle's locking system, and it allows you to lock the rear door from just using your key fob, and you don't have to use a deadbolt on the back here. So a little bit more security and not having to worry about locking this rear door every time and having to remember to have a key. You can just now use your vehicle power locks, and it's super easy. So very nice system from 813. Kind of looking on the inside, this is a custom drawer system provided by the customer that was integrated into the camper we installed. You also placed an IceCo fridge in between this custom setup. On the front there, you'll see the 13-gallon Alu-Cab water tank and the 813 MOLLE panels. And again, very cool to have over the water tank, because you can move a lot of stuff from down low and place it up on those panels, from speakers to, again, storing certain things that you want located up and not cluttering your main camping area. That's a great way to be able to utilize basically better organization inside the camp, all these interior MOLLE panels. If you flip around this side, you'll see from the inside, you'll see the GP Factor Red Vision system for the full size. This is a different setup than what you find in the mid-size campers like what we have in our Gladiator, but this is a great way to be able to know where you stand power-wise. This is a 99% charge. It'll give you an idea of how much time you have left on your battery, the way you're using it. So if our fridge is running, if we're running all the lights, if we're running the fans, this system right here does a great job of being able to give you a better indication of like, hey, I've got 8 hours left before I need to get a charge or find some sun or something like that, turn the vehicle on. A couple more things on the back here. We did a custom ARB compressor mount, and you can see the remote chuck right here located for the customer. so that they don't have to go down into the customer or somewhere else in the vehicle. He can just go ahead, put his air hose in here and air up. Also, there's a 2,000 watt red arc inverter located underneath the custom cabinetry system inside here with a remote outlet as well too. So doesn't again have to jump down in there and plug in to get that 110 power. We were able to really relocate that here for him. So again, just a little bit more convenient, easy to use, especially when you're in the middle of nowhere and just wanting to get to camp and you know, charge your accessories. So up top, if you look up top, there's two Sirocco fans, and those are 12-volt fans, and that has been a very popular option here for our customers, especially as you get into the warmer months at night. You can get some circulation into the camper at night, get a little bit of a breeze, and hopefully sleep a little bit better when it starts to get more humid and warm. As we walk to the front of the F-150, you'll see a couple more vehicle accessories we added. We did a front runner full roof rack on here, which cleared not only the camper, but also the table slide from Alu-Cab. On the front, we added 8 KC lights with custom wiring harness to trigger all that from the inside of the vehicle. So as far as the lighting solution goes, that's pretty much has it covered. There is another option for the customer to add another light bar up front, which is possible too if he wants more light down the road. Front worn bumper with worn winch that was provided by the customer on the vehicle when we got it. It's a nice setup, and now he's got a solid winch mounting system to be able to recover the vehicle from if that happens down the road. So we've got solid recovery points, more lights on the front, and a solid winch. So really great build. We're excited that we were able to be part of it. These are what you can see is what our options are available for our customers with these full-size trucks, adding campers. Not only do you have a ton of options for the camper, but then you have a lot of drivability options. You have vehicle protection, recovery, lighting, all sorts of other stuff you can have fun with on the vehicle and have fun playing, modifying the vehicle down the road. So appreciate you guys watching that video today. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed watching the video today. Appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll catch you next time.